Hello guys, you can see how fantastic. You can see we're on a trade and we just made $1,300. Wow, we are on 2,000 now. You can see how the trade is, guys. You can see how the trade is. This is very, very fantastic. This is very, very fantastic and easy. It's fantastic and easy. It's very fantastic and easy. So we are in $300 now. So I think we'll be closing so that I'll show you guys the settings. As you guys have known, I trade the target and 3,000 is our target. So we'll be closing on 3,000 so that I'll show you guys some few ways on how to trade and make efficient money for yourself without losing a dime. So whether you have a $50 account, a $1,000 or any amount, this is how you make money from it without losing one dime out of it. You can see how the trade is dancing all over. We've gone back to 2,000 here. You can see how the trade is dancing all over. You can see how it's dancing. You can see how it's dancing. So this zoom level we are using is not helping matter. So we'll switch our zoom level to like this, then hold your screen and drag it back to this F sign up here, then we'll release. So you can see it brought us back. You can see how from here went back. You can see this. You can see how it went back. So we've hit our target and it's high time to close. It's high time to close. So but before we close, don't forget we do account management, guys. Don't forget we do account management, VIP signals, and we do trading profits. So we'll trade for you, then whatever comes out we'll share it. Okay, so which is very, very massive, guys. Which is very, very, very massive. It's very massive. So you can watch up here. You can see up here. You can see here. You can see how our trade is running up there. You can see the total amount we have up there. So don't forget we have a free signal group where you can join. A free signal group. So I think it's high time I close now. So I'm closing. We just made a rapid 4,000 plus. Just made some 4,000 plus. So you can see we've made this account grown. You can see, and the trade is still running. The trade is still running. This is excellent, guys. Very, very excellent. So if you want to make money from us, you want us to trade for you, where you'll be making amazing, amazing money, amazing profit, you let me know. You message me and I will teach you. So you can see that the trade is still running. You can see here. You can see that the trade is still running. We left it a while ago. You can see here that is running. You can see we're trying to. Our trade was placed around here and here and here. Three trades. Sorry, and one here. 4 positions. So that is what, if we have left by now, we'll be talking about 7,000 or $9,000, if not 10. But I trade with target, so I've closed and that is it. There's no repositioning, there's no reopening of positions. So I think network is kind of dieseling. So let me tackle it. I'll be right back. So you can see we're Toronto again. You can see we're Toronto again. So at the time of recording this video, there was a massive sell. You can see we're Toronto. You can see this is very, very legit, guys. Very, very sweet, especially when you know what you're doing. So if you want us to teach you how to trade from scratch, for you to become a pro trader, just hit the link in the description and you get right away to me. So before we go ahead, before we continue, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe in the channel, please, guys. It's very, very important. Like and subscribe is very, very important. So guys, like, subscribe, comment in the comment section. Like, subscribe, comment in the comment section, guys, because it's really, really important to us, and it's very, very important to us, guys. It's very, very important. So now on this particular trade, I think network is dangling again. Okay, so now I think there will be a little line reversal here to take it up back again, and it will be in a triangular position like this. So let me just quickly, it hasn't touched this down part yet. So what it to do is this, to do like this and then like this. So if you want to, for if you want me to show you how to trade specifically, you want me to train you specifically on how to trade, that's not a problem. That is what we'll do. So just quickly hit the link in description. We have our free Telegram group where you can join in. It's free, guys. You can join in and take some of our signals and make some good money. Okay, so don't forget we do account management. Bring the amount of money you have and we are going to flip it for you. Account management is different from flipping. So if you want to know the difference, you slide in my DM, the link to my description, the link to my WhatsApp contact will be in the description below. So for you to message me. So now this is how you're going for your trade. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video because it will be educational. So you make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Trading can be risky, so don't trade in marketplaces. Don't trade when you're angry because it works with your emotion. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is how you go in for your entry position. As you've looked at it now, you can switch over to this 332. So it's switched over to 30 minutes, and 30 minutes is on reversal now. It's on reversal, so you place your buy. You place your buy, guys. You place your buy. So let us place a little buy and see how we'll be on some profit. Just place some little buy. Sorry, just place some little buy. You can see, this. So just like I said, it's gonna touch down and then reverse. So we'll just place some little trade now, and I'll place more to cover up. So we're on some minus, but that's not a problem. That's not a problem. Let's see what the market is gonna do. Let's see what the market is going to do for us, guys. Let's see what it's going to do. So you can see how the trade is running. You can see how the trade is running. Very, very important. You can see. So for those of you using stop losses to trade, you can watch and see how it's good. So if you don't know how to put in your stop loss to trade, you can message me and I will teach you how to apply a stop loss. So our network just seized. I don't know why. For some reason it just seized. So I'm just trying to see. It hasn't released yet. So I really want to see. Oh, so guys, just like I said, you can see how it's running here. You can see how it's running here, and we've made some money with it. So we'll be closing our positions. And then when you're trading, you should be trading with targets. It's very, very important for you to trade with targets. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. I don't know why network keep giving us issues here. I don't know why. So we've made some massive money. You can see where the trade ran to. So guys, you want to learn how to trade very, very well. You want to read our signals and make money. You want us to trade for you. Don't forget the link is in the description for you to message me. So this is how you're going for your entry positions here. First of all, you switch over to the 30 minutes once your time is from 30 minutes above. You can see where I saw my entry positions. I saw this here. So if the 30 minutes is actually going okay with the 15 minutes, then you should actually switch to your buy position. So guys, we switch over to 1 hour now. You can see the 1 hour has a reversal. 1 hour has a reversal. So that is how you go in for your entry positions. That's how you go in for entry position. So if the channel we have been doing well, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel because we'll be dropping more amazing tips on how you can make good money. So guys, we just launched our social media. So for those of you who thinks just following us on YouTube is not enough, please, we just launch our Facebook, Instagram, Twitter handle. All check the link in description. You're going to see all of them. You're going to see the link in the description, guys. It's very, very important. You're going to see the link in the description. So guys, you're all going to see the link in the description. So please follow us, guys. It's very, very important. Follow us there. You can message us in any of the accounts you want, and we're going to answer it specifically. So guys, let me quickly show you guys the settings. If I want this video to be short as soon as possible, make sure you don't skip any part. Give us a thumbs up. If you don't understand, you can ask more questions and I will explain to you. Okay, the trade is still going to go up. Don't look at this, it's still going to go up. So that is what it did here. That is the same thing it did here. It did the same thing here before it came down. So it's going to do same thing here before it to go back up. So it's very important, guys. It's very important. So the setting goes like this. I have on my main chart, I have nothing there. On the indicator window one, I have the relative strength index, the envelopes, and the moving average. Then the relative strength index goes like this. The period is 20, apply to exclude. Style is 1 pixel of white because my background is white, and I have the levels to be 30 and 70. You can add 50 on your levels if you want also. Then on the envelopes, I have the period to be 14, shift is 0, deviation is 0.900. So on this particular one, I'm using the method to be simple because if you have a small account, there's a way simple works on a small account. So apply to exclude, upper band is 4 pixels and lower band is, upper band is 4 pixels of blue and the lower band is 4 pixels of red. So guys, if you really want us to trade for you for account management, come for account management. Guys, come for account management. It's good you are making good money daily than making nothing at all on a daily basis. So come for account management. Okay, so the period here, we have the period to be 10, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to exclude, so the method should be changed to exponential. Apply to exclude, style is 4 pixels of red. So we are done with this. You can see what I just told you, that the trade will run back up. You can see what I just showed you, guys. You can see what I just showed you. So that is it, guys, for this video. That is it. Thank you very much for following us. Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.